All right. In order to do the show you know, we're adding 1 1/3 plus 2 1/3. So we're going to use pattern blocks. And it's already showing the question here. We've got 1 1/3 plus 1, 2 1/3. Now, we can draw this out. There's 1. Let's combine the whole ones together. That's 2. And I will shade these so that you can see them. And I'm going to do it this way. This one is green here. So we've got green here, showing this one is completely full. And this one here, we're going to say is red, as is this one. So these two are full of red triangles. And while I'm at it, I'll shade this one red and this one green as well. So now, out of a full hexagon here, we've got this one rhombus here that is green, which is 2 triangles worth, so I'll shade those in. And then we've got another rhombus here, which is red, so that's 2 triangles worth there. And so there's our solution. We can see that we've got 1 hole, 1 hole, 1 hole, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 6. And if we add those together, we end up with 3 4/6. Now, because I've used this color, you can see that this is actually 2 rhombuses filling up this space. So rather than 4/6, you can actually write that, and I'll just put it in brackets here, as 2/3. We've got 1/3 in red, 1/3 in green, 1/3 in white. The white obviously is not counted, but we've got 2/3 of that shape filled in. So this 3 4/6 is the same as 3 2/3. So that's the approach using pattern blocks. Now, we've got another statement here, 1 1/6 plus 1 5/6, and we're going to use addition statements this time. So we can start by combining the whole numbers. So we've got 1 from this mixed number and 1 from this mixed number, and then we'll combine the fractions. We've got 1/6 and 1/6. We've got 5/6 and 5/6. So we can add the whole numbers together, and that gives us 2. And then we can add our numerators together. We've got a same common denominator of 6, which is good. So we can add the 1 plus the 5, and that will give us, well, when we add the 1 and the 5, that gives us a 6. And then we've got this 2 over here. Now, 6/6, as we already talked about earlier in this unit, is the same as 1. So that is actually the same as 2 plus 1, which is just 3. So that's the answer for 1 1/6 plus 1 5/6. It equals 3.